Want to know the secret to a stunning aquarium without all the substrate stress? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're diving deep, pun totally intended, into the world of substrate-free aquatic plants. Yes, you heard that right. Aquatic plants that don't need substrate. Low maintenance, high impact. If you've ever struggled with plants uprooting like they've got commitment issues or algae overrunning your tank like it's their personal party, stay tuned. We've got a game-changing solution that'll blow your mind and leave your aquatic pals the envy of all the fish in the neighborhood. Do you want an aquarium that's stunning, hassle-free, and leaves everyone wondering about your secret? Let's answer those burning questions like, how on earth can plants thrive without substrate? Remember setting up your first aquarium and feeling like a clueless chef with all the substrate options? Should I go with gravel, sand, or maybe that suspiciously sparkly stuff? But what if I told you you could skip all of that entirely and still achieve a lush, vibrant aquarium? Turns out, substrate-free plants like Anubias, Java Fern, and moss balls can anchor themselves to rocks or driftwood. They don't need the dirt beneath their roots, giving you all the glory without the headache. Meet Samantha, a beginner aquarist who thought she'd need high-tech gadgets and hours of research to keep her plants alive. But when she swapped her plant encyclopedia for easy-to-care-for substrate-free plants like Anubias and Java Fern, her aquarium was transformed into an underwater paradise in no time. Bonus points for not needing an advanced degree in botany. These substrate-free beauties are like the succulent of the aquatic world. Low light? No problem. Forgot to fertilize? That's okay too. Your tank will still look like a scene straight out of Finding Nemo. Now, let's talk about Mark. Poor Mark was battling algae like he was auditioning for a new Swamp Thing reboot until he switched to substrate-free plants. Within weeks, his tank was crystal clear, and he was grinning like a kid with a new toy. The secret? Without a thick layer of substrate trapping nutrients, algae just couldn't get a foothold. Plants like Java moss help soak up extra nutrients, leaving algae with no invitation to the party. Plus, their root structures don't trap debris, making it easier to keep your tank pristine. So, if you're tired of high-maintenance aquariums and ready for a vibrant, substrate-free paradise, check out our next video on the Top 3 Low-Tech Aquatic Plants for Stunning Aquariums. Your fish will thank you, and your plants? They'll be living their best lives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll never miss another fishy tale. Catch you next time.